Hi, my name is Robin Sharma and I'm going to share my thoughts with you about the dawn of my transformation, a 5 a.m. odyssey, 5 a.m. The world is still asleep. Darkness gives way to the soft light of dawn. It's a magical moment full of possibilities. In this silence I find my center. It's my sacred ritual, my moment of connection with my inner self. Here, in the stillness of the morning, my transformation begins. Before, material success filled my days, but my soul was empty. Anxiety and emptiness haunted me. I needed a change, an inner revolution. I yearned for a life with purpose, meaning, and inner peace.
Our society has programmed to make lots of money.
My search took me to unexpected corners of the world, where every step was a new lesson and every encounter a revelation. In a monastery on a mountaintop, I found ancient wisdom. There the monks taught me to listen to the silence and find peace in stillness. In a bustling market in Marrakesh, I learned the value of the present moment. Among the vibrant colors and exotic aromas, I discovered the beauty of living in the now. In a small cafe in Paris, I met those who would change my life forever. Through deep conversations and shared laughter, I formed bonds that would transcend time and distance. They were my mentors, my guides on the path of personal growth. The billionaire, generous and visionary, the artist, passionate and creative. Her art inspired me to see the world with new eyes and express my emotions without fear. And the entrepreneur, tenacious and innovative. His determination taught me to never give up and always seek new opportunities. Each in their own way taught me the importance of personal development. Their teachings were beacons on my path, illuminating my journey towards self-discovery. They showed me that true success isn't measured in money or possessions, but in the quality of our mind, body, heart, and soul. In each experience, I found a piece of my own puzzle.
This is less about genetics and more about your habits. Second,
The millionaire taught me the importance of time. Every minute is an investment, he'd say. The artist revealed to me the power of creativity and beauty in everyday life. Find the magic in every detail, she'd whisper. And the entrepreneur, with his contagious energy, pushed me to chase my dreams with courage. Don't be afraid of failure, learn from it, he'd encourage me. They introduced me to the 20-20-20 formula. Dedicate 20 minutes to moving your body, 20 minutes to nourishing your mind, and 20 minutes to feeding your soul. A perfect balance to start the day with energy, focus, and inner peace.
human beings as a species are great postponers.
The 20-20-20 formula became my compass, my daily guide to a fuller and more balanced life. Every morning, I dedicated 20 minutes to exercise, no matter how busy my day was. I ran, swam, practiced yoga. These moments of physical activity not only strengthened my body, but also cleared my mind and filled me with energy. I felt how my body was getting stronger, how the energy flowed through my veins, revitalizing every cell of my being. Then I dedicated 20 minutes to reading, writing, or meditation. These moments were sacred to me, an opportunity to nourish my mind and expand my horizons. I fed my mind with knowledge, wisdom, and inspiration, finding new perspectives and solutions to life's challenges. And finally, I dedicated 20 minutes to introspection, to gratitude, to connecting with my inner self. This time allowed me to reflect on my actions, my thoughts, and my emotions. I cultivated peace, love, and compassion in my heart, creating a space of serenity and harmony in my daily life. This formula, simple but powerful, transformed my life in ways I never imagined possible. I discovered the 4 inner empires: the mind, the heart, the body, and the soul. Each of these aspects requires attention and care to thrive. I learned that just like a garden, they need care and attention to flourish. Only then can we achieve true holistic success and live a life full of purpose and satisfaction.
Development. Second form of your wellness. Third form of
Section 5. The 4 inner empires. My mind, like a garden of thoughts, needed tending with knowledge, wisdom, and inspiration. My heart, the source of my emotions, needed nurturing with love, compassion, and thankfulness. My body, my temple, needed care with exercise, healthy food, and enough rest. And my soul, my essence, needed connecting to something bigger than myself through meditation, nature, and searching for my purpose. Every morning, by joining the 5 a.m. club, I spend time cultivating my 4 inner empires. It's an ongoing process, a journey of self-discovery and growth.
Development. Second form of your wellness. Third form of
Section 6. The Morning Transformation. My morning habits deeply impacted my life. My mind, once full of noise and distractions, now experienced clarity and focus. My heart, once burdened by stress and anxiety, now overflowed with gratitude and peace. My body, once tired and exhausted, now radiated energy and vitality. And my soul, once lost in superficiality, now had found its purpose and meaning. The transformation wasn't easy. It required discipline, consistency, and an unwavering commitment to myself. But the results were extraordinary. I discovered an inner strength I didn't know I had. I learned to master my thoughts, emotions, and actions.
human beings as a species are great postponers.
Section 7. Building Unbreakable Habits.
Do what they can do in 2 hours.
The Habit Installation Protocol, with its 66 days of constant practice, became my ally. This protocol not only helped me stay focused, but it also gave me a clear structure to move forward. Every day I marked one more day of commitment to my new self on my calendar. This small daily act reminded me of my progress and motivated me to keep going even on the toughest days. Overcoming the initial resistance was key. At first, every step felt like a struggle, but over time, that resistance began to fade away. The first 22 days were the hardest. Then, something magical happened. I started to notice that my new habits were becoming a natural part of my life. The new habits became a part of me. I didn't have to try so hard to keep them up anymore. They had become second nature. They were no longer a burden, but a way of life. I enjoyed every moment and felt more connected to myself and the world around me. I discovered the twin cycles of elite performance, the control cycle, where we establish a clear vision and develop powerful habits, and the release cycle, where we let go of control and allow the magic to happen. These cycles taught me to balance discipline with flexibility, allowing me to reach a new level of well-being and performance.
This is less about genetics and more about your habits.
Section 8. The Story Creator's Path. I learned that we are all story creators. We have the power to design our own destiny. The 4 approaches of the story creators became my guide, capitalizing on potential, where we develop our skills to the fullest, eliminating distractions, where we free ourselves from what's holding us back, energy management, where we optimize our physical, mental, and emotional energy, and relentless execution, where we translate our ideas into concrete actions. The Story Creator's Path is a journey of self-improvement, of constant growth. It's a call to live with intention, to leave a positive mark on the world.
This is less about genetics and more about your habits.
Section 9. Join the 5 a.m. club. I invite you to join the 5 a.m. club. Wake up every morning with a clear purpose. Cultivate your mind, heart, body, and soul. Turn each day into a masterpiece. The world needs your light, your energy, your creativity. The power of personal transformation is in your hands. The decision is yours. Will you join the movement?